we've recently, this morning, I think I'll probably add that clip in. I ended up installing brand new OEM like filters, and we're gonna go do some Dragy runs right now. We already did some in the morning, but just to get more data, this is, I did install the high flow cats yesterday, but I want to make this other video at the same time as well. So we already put in our OEM like air filters, and then recently, I think it's been a month or something, I ordered these during the Z1 Black Friday sale. If I can open this bitch. God damn. So we have our Z1 drop-in filters. These are no oil. They're just normal, I guess, like cotton material, but there's no oil on these, which I prefer just because I know how Nissan MAF sensors can be kind of finicky, and I wouldn't want to ruin them. So you can see, and obviously you get two. I think these were like 70 or 80 bucks. I think I paid 60 for them though, with the Black Friday discount. But this is what they look like. Our high flow drop-ins. I wanted to see if there's a difference. So we're gonna do some Dragy runs with the brand new ones, the brand new OEM like ones. We'll probably do 3 to 5 runs, 60 to 130s, and then we'll do some 60 to 130s with these on, and I'll end up comparing times. This is gonna be a pretty short video. I'll also show you guys what's my process of doing the 60 to 130s. I know this isn't entirely accurate, but I mean, it's as accurate as you're gonna get without a dyno. So every single time I do like a new session, I refill the gas tank to full. Right now we're a little bit below full, you can see. Every time I do this though, I have all accessories off. We only have it in sport mode. That way, like, there's no discrepancies. So we're gonna head to our location, we're gonna refuel, and then we're gonna do some runs. I probably won't record those, but yeah. So we're refueling just now. All right, so we just did our 5 runs. We are now gonna refuel and then install our high flows, or high flow drop-in air filters from Z1. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep the new ones just in case whenever I have to clean these. That way, whenever you have to let them dry, I can just put in the new ones that I had in there. So, like I said, this shit's simple. Just pull this out. Easy. Check out the fitment real quick. Oh shit. So this is it. They're actually pretty fucking snug, I'm not gonna lie. Then you pretty much slide it back in. So yeah, we're gonna do our runs again. I think I forgot to mention, but I'll put all the runs. I did 5 runs that were valid, and I'll put them up on the screen. And now we're gonna do another 5 runs with the air filters, and we're gonna see the difference. So, all right, so we just did the 5 runs. I'm gonna put them up on the screen. We're gonna go down this little road that I typically go down with testing new components, whether it be brakes, wheels, tires. I've gone down this same patch of road every single time. So it definitely felt like it pulled a little bit more. Like I said, this is all off of feel. I did not take that one corner that well at all. yeah, I think I can be fairly certain here and say that it does pull a little bit more, for sure. I'm pretty positive on that, for sure. With the Z1 drop-ins, it does pull a little bit more. Now, obviously, you're gonna have to take my word for it. I can actually feel pretty confident in saying that, yeah, the vehicle does pull more. Pretty impressed by it, surprisingly. Just for it being drop-in filters, and you can, I won't say that you'll feel it without the high flow cat, because I do have high flow cats on that I very recently installed, like basically yesterday. But I will say that I think it does pull a little bit more, for sure. How big of a difference? I mean, it's enough of a difference to notice. So whatever number that would be, and yeah, I would definitely recommend them. I mean, for I think whatever they sell them for, I think $70 or $80, a lot cheaper than the K&N ones. I'm pretty sure. 'Cause I think the K&Ns they charge like over $100 for them. So. And I would recommend, like I said, the dry media instead of the oiled ones, just because if that stuff gets on your MAF, it can obviously make your car, or it can make your MAF not read correctly. So that was another reason why I went with the dries. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the Z1 filters, for sure. It does add I feel, like I said, there's really no way for me to get like actual numbers besides taking it to a dyno, but I can say pretty confidently that it does give you more HPs, for sure. How much? No say. But it does give you some HPs. So I'm gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys found it useful. I'm tired. Well, I don't really feel that tired anymore, because that shit woke me up, whipping it like that. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys found it useful. I am out this bitch.